Hi everyone! We're going to have a family dinner, so I decided to make a napkin ring. And I have another one. So our materials, I have two colors of 11O seed beads. I have the white and gold 8O, size 8O seed beads. And I have 6mm round pearls. My beading needle number 10. And this is the thread I'm going to use. So let's begin. First, I pick up 8 of my 8O seed beads. Then pass through 2. Then I'll just leave a short tail. Pick up 1, 8O, pass through 2. Pick up 8O, pass through 2. Pick up 1 8O, pass through 2. Pick up 1 8O. Then pick up pearl 11O, pearl 11O, pearl 11O, and pearl. So pearl 11O seed bead, pearl 11O, pearl 11O, and pearl. Then pick up pearl 11O, pearl 11O, pearl 11O, and pearl. Then pick up pearl 11O, pearl 11O, pearl 11O, and pearl. Then pick up pearl 11O, pearl 11O, pearl, then exit to pearl, then pick up 111.0, 1 pearl, 111.0, then pass through pearl, then pick up another 11.0, pearl, 11.0, and pass through, then exit to pearl, pick up 111.0, 1 pearl, 11.0, one 11.0, 1 pearl, 111.0, so I'm going to just pass through one more time to reinforce. So I'm going to exit. Then I pick up 11.0, pearl, 11.0, pearl, 11.0, pearl, and 11.0. 11.0, pearl, 11.0, pearl, 11.0, pearl, and 11.0. Then pick up another set of 11.0, pearl, 11.0, pearl, 11.0, pearl, and 11.0. Then pick up 11.0, pearl, 11.0, so I'm going to continue adding 11.0, pearl, 11.0, pearl, 11.0, pearl, 11.0, 3 more times. So my thread is coming out from pearl. Then I'll pick up 111.0, 1 pearl, 111.0. So coming out from here, then pick up 111.0, 1 pearl, 111.0, pick up 1 white, 11-0, pick up 1 white, pick up 1 white, white, pick up another white, one white, pick up one white, so I'm going to continue adding 11-0 white in between 11-0 gold here, 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 until here. So I'm going to just pass through some of the beads, make some couple of knots, and then I'll cut the thread, and we'll also do the same here. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.